Yuka Pro. Hi! The moment has come. It's time for me to eat. Okay, so they are, I cooked them like 10 minutes ago. Still getting prepared, so I thought this would be a good time for us to bond and talk. Can you guys hear that? Should we be eating hot or cold? Hot. Time for some hot nudes. Oh, it smells spicy. It's burning my nose. I didn't even get the spiciest one, which is the most ridiculous thing. I got like the most, because I couldn't find anywhere spicier, so I went to the Korean store that's near me and I picked the spiciest thing they had. Is that bad? Is that? Nope, never mind. Never mind. I was saying it's not bad. I just one bite in. Fuck. But I think the worst part's gonna be drinking the sauce. I'm gonna be drinking the juice. Whew. Whew. Woo! The broth spreads around your mouth and throat. It's spicy. This is a very spicy noodle. The broth makes it easier to make sure to drink it directly. I know! Oh, my nose is running. Fuck all of you. You're all horrible. Y'all just want to see me suffer. How's your health? Bad. Ooh. Really bad. I'm sweating. I haven't even finished this. I took like 3 bites. I'm like dying over here. Like it's good, but fuck. It's spicy. Oh shit, I got some on the screen. Ha! Blech. 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 Oh my god. It won't go away. Alright. Okay. Ow. Ooh. Ooh, my life is not deja vu. Deja vu. Fuck. I'm drooling. Oh my god. It just gets worse. Oh my god. God, I'm drooling. Do you drool lava or water? I drool lava. What do you think I am? Okay, I gotta continue. I gotta continue. Okay. How do I rate it? I rate it 4. Has good taste. A bit too spicy. Stays on the tongue for a bit too long. Oh, fuck! It got my eye! Oh, fuck! I slurped up the noodle, and it got my fucking eye! Oh, my God. Ow! Oh, Jesus Christ, my mercy. I need one of those water blower things in my eye. I'm not a Cyclops. Oh, God. It's in my eye. Put ice cream in your eye. That'd be good. Go open your eye in some water. Go on. I'm fine. I'm fine. I don't feel it anymore. It was just a really big shock at first. I let it flash before my eyes. It usually takes me like 10 minutes to eat noodles. This is taking me way longer than I expected. Woo, okay. I have horrible friends. Wanna guess what happened? Yeah, cause I just finished eating my noodles. And my friend is an awful person. It got me chili peppers. I don't even know what kind, they're just red. This man gave me a whole shit ton of them. Wait, Maybe my mom knows the kind. Mom! Mother! Lava mama! Lava mom! I need your assistance! Lava mom! Wait, I'll call my mom. Hi, Lava mama. Can you come here? Do you know Chili's well? I don't know what kind of Chili's these are. I feel like you know better than me. And I can't read what's on the thing because I'm dyslexic. Korean red chilies, probably. So, the show shall continue then. Okay, now that I'm feeling a little bit better, let's eat some chilies. Cause you know, I just like pain apparently. Okay, doesn't smell as bad. I'm scared. My friend just bought me these. And that's why I had to answer the door, because they're like, come here real quick. I was like, what the fuck do you want? I got some chilies. Strangers who know. You know the one. Oh, this is worse. Oh, fuck. I'm dying. I'm actually fucking dying. I'm shaking. I'm actually. Oh, I'm crying. Bro, for a minute, like my vision was like blurring. My hands are shaking, bro. Fuck. I'm okay. Woo-hoo. I need like cold water. Woo. I ate the pepper seeds. Not all of it. I ate half of it. Oh, okay. Thank you for coming. I'm really glad everyone came. I had a lot of fun today. Alright. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!